ANKA is a globally renowned manufacturer of security alarms. From precision molds to advanced equipment, from innovative layout to artisanal manufacturing, ANKA always adheres to the concept of high-quality manufacturing. ANKA currently has an industry-leading production factory covering 10,000 square meters, producing over 50,000 units of various types of alarm detectors per day through lean production management methods and skilled workers. ANKA has achieved integrated and scale production, fully meeting the needs of various types of customers. ANKA always follows the international quality management system standards in product quality, rigorously controls the quality throughout the production process, achieves traceability of raw materials, controllable manufacturing process, and achieves a 100% pass rate in product testing. ANKA R&D team has cultivated strong relationships with esteemed laboratories worldwide, including CSIRO, INTERTEK, VDS BSI, SGS-TEC, and UL. ANKA R&D team is committed to finding solutions to customer and industry challenges with innovations. We are proud of our accomplishments, such as extending the wireless detection range to 40 meters and tackling the problem of detector false alarms in high humidity environments. ANKA is unwavering in its commitment to producing top-notch safety alarms and fulfilling its responsibility to promote safety, progress, and societal development through professionalism. We strive to enhance the material and spiritual well-being of all our partners while aspiring to be the paramount player in the global fire protection industry. ANKA is a trusted global leader in premium security alarm systems.